Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How everyone doing? Today I would like to introduce you one camcorder, digital camcorder. This is a Chinese version. Not a brand name, not a brand name. So that's why I cannot tell you what the name or the model is. But this is the one that look like that, and this is the box. They just say 4K Ultra HD camcorder. That's it. Nothing else. So in the box, the package include one camera. This one is 4K 30 and 48 megapixel. This also has a very long life battery, two rechargeable 1500 milliamp. This one you can use at webcam or live stream. They have a anti-shake. Okay? So they have a LED, they built in LED. So you can record at night or something. And touch screen. The screen is touch screen. After I test some video, the audio, the video is very good, excellent. And the audio is not bad, not like really perfect, but it's not bad at all. It's clear, volume is good enough. If you record like indoor, no noises, you can record direct from the machine. But when you record like in like noisy place or something, they also give you extra microphone. This is the one they come with this. And you see, and also they come with one of the cover, lens cover. So this is good for sun, you know. See, it look like professional camcorder. You see, excellent one. And they also come with the remote. This remote can control up to 60 feet, quite long. It's very good one. And two rechargeable battery. Usually I don't use this microphone because it looks so like, you know, so big. So I bought the small one, clip on my shirt, and easy. So in Canada, I bought this one around $200 in Canada website. So when you search online, if you want more information about this one, go to Google or YouTube to search like Chinese or something, or knock-off brand or something, because there is no brand, no name or model. So I cannot tell you the name of the model. I know it's difficult to find like that, but you just search by the description, the feature. So that's everything about this one. They can like rotate the screen. You can see front and back. See, and touch screen. They have a HDMI too. See, one hole for microphone, and this one for HDMI, and this is for charger. And the zoom can go to 18 times. Zoom in and out 18 times. Quite good. Take a photo, 48 megapixel for photo. This one you can use 128 gigabyte SD card, but have to be like class 10. You know, when you record like 4K, you should buy like U3 SD card. They have a U1 and U3. It's like faster, you know, because you record like 4K, you cannot use U1. They cannot take it. So that everything for this camera. So far we're very happy of this one. So I hope everyone like it, but before you buy it, make sure do some research. This is just my opinion after I test it. You can find out more information online. So I hope everyone like this one. And thanks for watching. That's everything for today. Bye bye.